Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change age on Epic Games. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. First, you will need to go to your browser and in the Google search bar type Epic Games Help. Press enter. Then you will see this type of interface. Select the first link and go to the official help page of Epic Games. When you go to the official help page of Epic Games, you will see this type of interface. Here in the search help center, type your problem here, like how to change age on Epic Games. Press enter. Here in the down, you will see the results provided by the Epic Games help page. If you don't see the results related to your problem, then scroll down and here in the down you will see the contact us option. Simply click on contact us. When you click on contact us, you will need to log in into your Epic Games account. So first you will need to log in to your Epic Games account. After you will be able to contact us, the official help team of Epic Games. So provide your problem to them. Then the official support team of Epic Games will solve your problem. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.